Who would have thought the secret that made me look 10 years younger turned out to be coffee, the very drink we enjoy every morning? It may sound surprising, but it's true. With just a small amount of coffee used the right way, your skin can become smoother, firmer, and more radiant day by day. Watch until the end of this video because I'll reveal how to turn your everyday coffee into a natural, rejuvenating cream that makes your skin feel truly renewed. And our main ingredient today is coffee, a bean we usually think of as just a drink, but it's actually a natural elixir that helps brighten, firm, and energize your skin every day. First, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee to a small pot. Then pour in about 200 milliliters of water. Gently stir until the rich aroma of coffee begins to release. Coffee contains caffeine and powerful antioxidants that help stimulate collagen production, making your skin firmer, more elastic, and smoother. These compounds also neutralize free radicals, slow down skin aging, and help prevent the formation of early wrinkles. At the same time, coffee improves blood circulation, giving your skin a natural rosy glow, just like after a spa treatment. Next, simmer the mixture over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This gentle heating process allows the coffee to slowly release its natural nutrients while preserving its precious active compounds. As the coffee begins to bubble lightly, you'll notice the mixture becoming thicker and darker. This is the concentrated essence rich in caffeine and antioxidants, forming the perfect base for the natural skincare formula we're about to create. From the ancient lands of Ethiopia to the luxurious baths of 18th century French women, coffee has long been treasured as a secret to youthful, radiant skin. As the saying goes, a cup of coffee awakens the mind, a spoonful awakens the skin. Now, strain the mixture through a clean cloth or thin towel to separate the liquid essence from the coffee grounds. The coffee extract is where most of the valuable nutrients are concentrated. When combined with other natural ingredients, it transforms into a rejuvenating face mask that helps awaken your skin, leaving it smoother, brighter, and fresher after just a few uses. And don't throw away the coffee grounds just yet. I'll reveal a simple way to reuse them as a natural exfoliant at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Perhaps it's because of these remarkable benefits that, through the passage of time, coffee has remained a timeless companion, quietly witnessing and preserving the natural beauty of women across generations and cultures. To the coffee extract, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch not only helps thicken the mixture, but also offers wonderful skin benefits. It helps control excess oil, smooth rough texture, and even out skin tone. When combined with coffee, these 2 ingredients form a soft, creamy mask that allows nutrients to penetrate deeply into the skin. Next, simmer the mixture over low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens into a smooth, cream-like texture. This creates the perfect base for a natural mask that leaves your skin soft, radiant, and youthful day by day. The amazing thing about this recipe is that you don't need any expensive skincare products. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create your own natural rejuvenating remedy that's safe, effective, and easy to make at home. Once the mixture reaches a smooth, creamy consistency, turn off the heat, pour it into a clean glass bowl, and let it cool naturally. While waiting for the coffee base to cool, let's prepare some fresh aloe vera, a familiar and powerful ingredient in many natural beauty treatments. You just need to cut off a fresh aloe vera leaf, then peel away the green outer layer to reveal the clear cooling gel inside. During preparation, don't forget to remove the yellow latex layer, as I've explained in previous videos. This aloe vera gel is truly a gift from nature. It deeply hydrates, soothes dry or irritated skin, and helps repair and nourish skin cells for a healthy glow. Rich in vitamins C and beta-carotene, aloe vera also helps even out skin tone, reduce fine lines, and protect the skin from environmental damage. Next, blend the aloe vera gel until smooth. Then add about 3 tablespoons of the gel into the cooled coffee cornstarch mixture. Gently stir until everything is fully combined, forming a creamy, smooth texture like a soft moisturizer. The result is a completely natural skincare blend that helps soften and brighten the skin while reducing signs of aging and tightening pores in a gentle yet effective way. Now it's time to upgrade the skincare mixture with a few drops of precious natural oils. Add 1 pump of almond oil, 1 pump of castor oil, and 1 pump of vitamin E to the blend. Almond oil, rich in vitamins A and E, helps soften the skin, improve elasticity, and reduce dryness or flakiness, especially beneficial for dehydrated skin. Meanwhile, castor oil is well known for its anti-inflammatory and cell-renewing properties. It helps soothe irritation, restore the skin's natural barrier, and leaves your complexion smooth, strong, and radiant even after sun exposure or harsh weather. And vitamin E acts as a natural antioxidant shield, protecting your skin from free radicals, slowing down signs of aging, and enhancing its natural glow and vitality. Gently stir until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and delicately fragrant. The blend of essential oils and vitamin E creates a natural moisturizing elixir, leaving your skin soft, supple, and radiant day by day. With just a light touch, you'll feel its silky, cool texture absorb easily into the skin, bringing a sense of relaxation and comfort, as if you were enjoying a spa treatment right in your own kitchen. Mary will reveal the best way to use this mixture in just a few more steps. So don't take your eyes off the screen, because that part is the little secret that helps this blend work at its fullest potential. Once the mixture is complete, pour it into a clean glass jar. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator for about 7 days. This method helps preserve all the nutrients and natural aroma, keeping your homemade cream fresh, safe, and ready to use every day while maintaining its full effectiveness. Who in your family loves using traditional home remedies for skincare? Tag them in this video. This might be the natural beauty secret they've been looking for. As for the coffee grounds, simply add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. This combination creates a gentle yet highly effective exfoliating scrub. The coffee grounds help remove dead skin cells and impurities, while the oatmeal soothes the skin, reduces irritation, and provides light hydration. Meanwhile, Almond oil softens, brightens, and nourishes the skin from deep within, leaving it smooth, refreshed, and naturally radiant. This simple combination creates a gentle yet highly effective exfoliating blend, helping your skin stay clean, smooth, and naturally radiant day by day. The application is incredibly easy. Just spread the mixture evenly over your skin. Gently massage in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse off with warm water. After just one use, you'll feel your skin wake up softer, smoother, and more luminous than before. For best results, use this natural exfoliating scrub 1-2 times per week to keep your skin fresh, silky, and glowing all the time. After exfoliating, your skin is now perfectly ready to absorb all the nutrients from the coffee nourishing cream. Take a small amount, apply evenly to your face and neck, then massage gently in upward circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and help the nutrients penetrate deeply. Leave the cream on for about 30 minutes, allowing the active ingredients from coffee, aloe vera, almond oil, and vitamin E to sink deeply into your skin cells, nourishing and revitalizing from within. After the mask treatment, simply rinse your face with warm water to feel your skin become softer, smoother, and noticeably brighter. Just after a few uses, you'll see fine lines fading, your complexion becoming more even firm and full of vitality. Store the remaining exfoliating scrub in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and preserve all the nutrients. By maintaining this skincare routine 3 to 4 times a week, you'll deeply nourish your skin, keeping it hydrated, firm, and naturally youthful every day. With consistent use, you'll feel your skin revive day by day, softer, smoother, and more radiant, as if you've turned back time to your 40s. All thanks to one simple, completely natural recipe you can make right at home. This is the essence of pure natural beauty, radiant, healthy, and effortless, achieved not through expensive cosmetics, but from the familiar ingredients in your own kitchen. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.